So I had to pause for a while whatever I'm doing over here because there's something that I really, really think that everyone should know. I need to share this. So earlier today was my son's graduation in McDonald's Kiddie Crew. We signed him up for this month of May, for a week actually, and then everything went quite well. Actually, as a parting graduation gift, I gave everyone hot fudge sundae because I think the meal for that today was just one piece chicken and drinks. So I added uh, uh, one sundae per kid. So anyway, when it was done, siguro that was finished around 12 noon. I told Jojo that before we leave, I had to pee. So I went straight to the girls' restroom. And then when I opened the restroom, one cubicle was occupied, or I think they really closed it down, and then one cubicle was green, so it's vacant. So I opened it, and lo and behold, someone was inside. So I said, "Oh, I'm so sorry." I didn't really quite, register in my mind if the person was going to pee or what. The person was just standing. So I waited. I waited for like 30 seconds. Then I heard the pee coming out. And then when it came out, then I knew that that person was done, went out. And then I was shocked because it was a guy. And that was a female restroom. So when I went out and chased the guy and said, "Excuse me, why did you why did you go here?" And I was in full on combat mode. Those who know me 20 years ago, you would know what I'm talking about. Like my face, my eyes was really like daggers already. And if you know my mom, yun yung parang naman ako sa kanya eh. So parang ganun ako. Eh siguro natakot siya. So I was like, kasi akala ko panlalaki, sa babae pala. Yung sabi ko, ang linaw-linaw oh, letter F nakalagay, tapos letter M, panlalaki, male, female. Hindi mo nakikita yon. Talagang ganun ako sa kanya. And then, ihing-ihi na ako. Usually, on these occasions, tinatawag ko talaga si Jojo. Kasi I don't want to, start anything without him by my side. Kasi lalo ng lalaki yon. Kala ko talaga babae siya kasi naka-pink siya. I didn't really see what person was that, if it was male or female. Basta nakita ko lang pink shirt. So I assumed babae yung nandun na nakatayo. But then, after kong mag-pee, biglang umano yung utak ko, teka lang, bakit hindi nakasarado yung cubicle? That's one. And then two, nakatayo lang siya doon. Parang he's waiting for something. And then nalaman niyang ako yung nandun na pumasok. Parang bigla siyang umihi na lang doon. I think he was just standing there for a while. Wala siyang ginagawa. So alam mo yung nanginginig yung kamay ko. If you have daughters, no? I was thanking God talaga that I have a son. A son. Ito, natatakot ako tuloy lalo. Na pag siguro babae yung anak ko, mas hindi ako makakatulog. Kakatapos lang 'di ba ng kiddie crew. So maraming kids na babae na pwedeng pumasok dun sa CR na yon. And nakaabang si Loco, 'di ba? So immediately I went to one of the crews and told her that I saw a guy enter here and the cubicle was not locked. It's like he's waiting for something or for someone and I don't know what. So, pinahanap namin kung nandyan pa siya. He's no longer in the vicinity. Siguro, he had time kasi nga, takot na takot siya dun sa dagger looks ko, 'di ba? He had time to scramble up and, lumayas. Kasi pinaghahanap ko siya immediately after kong umiihi. So, ito ngayon, lesson learned. If you have a daughter, kahit saan pa yan, kahit wholesome pa yung place na yun, please, 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 samahan ninyo yung daughter nyo. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung sino yung nakaabang doon. Even if siguro lalaki, kasing laki ni siguro mga 6 years old si Jacob, hindi ko pinaiiwanan yan or pinapupunta sa CR mag-isa. But now my son is 9 and medyo malaki yung son ko, so it's okay. Pero kung babae ang anak ko, kahit 9 years old pa yan, hindi yata ako kayang maka-move on sa na-experience ko ngayon, that I am afraid for my friends' daughters, na kung sino ka man or kahit sinong daughter, na kung nagkataon na siya yung pumasok at hindi ako, my gosh, kung ano na nang pumapasok sa utak ko. So here, yeah, this is a warning to all parents that if you have daughters na, 10 and below, or 11, 12, basta hindi pa teenager, please, samahan ninyo sa CR, please lang. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mga nakaabang na tao sa CR. Yun lang, and God bless.